Hello everyone! Today we will show you how to convert videos for iPhone, iPad, Android devices with UniConverter 13. Step 1. Launch UniConverter 13 and click on the Add Files button to add videos or drag desired videos to the program. Step 2. Choose an output format. Click the Output format, go to the Device tab, choose the manufacturer of the smart device and select its model. Step 3. Convert the clips. Select the high-speed conversion, choose the file location field, and click Convert. Step 4. Access the converted files. Click the Finish tab to go to the Output folder to access the newly produced files. Thank you for watching our tutorial videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try Wondershare UniConverter for free. See you in the next video!